Okay, these are the controls for a Nissan Leaf automatic. Notice we have 3 pedals here. The right one is the accelerator as normal. The big one in the middle is the brake as normal, and you use these pedals with your right foot. The pedal on the left is the parking brake for this car. So you press the pedal down with your left foot, which would set the parking brake, press it down again and it will release the parking brake. And if you look over here, we have no handbrake. Now we'll just have a quick look underneath the bonnet. So the examiner is going to ask you questions about how to check various fluid levels. So this one is the brake fluid, and on the side we have the maximum and minimum line. You can see the fluid is yellowish. Over here we have the engine water coolant. So although this is an electric car, the batteries do get hot, and we have a radiator to regulate the temperature. This one you would top up with water when the engine's cold to the maximum line. This one is the window screen wash. Notice the picture on the top, the wiper sign, and then the dots are representing water. You top this up till it's full with water or screen wash. We also have a battery, but this isn't to start the car up. This is to work the auxiliaries when the car is switched off, like the radio and the air conditioner, etc. We have no oil level, so the examiner won't be asking you that in this particular car.